Amazon delivery came in. We got the welder for the plastic. First order business, figure out what kind of plastic you have. Turns out, after a lot of research and a spare set of eyes from my wife, inside those crazy little grooves is a number, and it says that the interior part of the head is PA6 plastic, which is a type of nylon. And that's important to know so that you're using the right type of plastic when you weld it back together. The good news is things like JB Weld work with nylon. If this was poly P or poly A, JB Weld does not work with it. So it would have just been some straight heat welding out of here. The kit came with a bunch of welding rods. As you can see, there's different types. For us, this is going to be the PA6, so we'll be using this one. As you can see, it's translucent, or it looks white on here. And obviously what we're going to be welding is black. So the good part is it'll be all on the inside, shouldn't show. And they also have these plastic fillers, and what I'll be doing is using a small bit of that to fill the outside crack, whatever is left over after I put the mesh in. Now back to this kit. I haven't read what the tin foil's for. I think it's for holding things together. Obviously it comes with a gun. There's the head. Right, otherwise it looks like a soldering iron. The steel mesh that you push in for enforcement, so that will be going behind that crack, cutting it to fit. An instruction manual, a few extra head types for different types. Yeah, we will not be reading the instruction manual because that's what we do. Don't forget to subscribe and follow along.